Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming access to the email or phone tied to your Instagram. Open the app, go to your profile, tap the three lines, and select Settings. This gets you to security options. If you know your current password, keep it handy to speed the change, but if not, choose Forgot Password to request a login code. Once done, make sure the contact info shown is correct so the verification code reaches you without delay. You now perform the actual change or reset. If you remember the old password, tap Security then Password, enter the current password and your new one twice. This authenticates the change immediately. If you used Forgot Password, enter the email or phone and fetch the 6-digit code from your messages, then paste or type it in to prove ownership. Make sure the new password is unique and strong so future unauthorized access is. You finish by saving the new password and reviewing active sessions. Go to Security, then Login Activity and log out any unfamiliar devices to secure your account. Once done, enable two-factor authentication so you need a second confirmation next time. This greatly reduces risk. If you don't receive the reset code, check your spam folder, confirm the email or phone shown on the account, and request a new code. If problems persist, try the app on another.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.